back to my channel, my Kenzie. And today we are going to the Coca-Cola factory. Come on, let's go. It's so cold. I should have brought my jacket. I just took it off. I've got my jacket on, so now let's go. Inside. We're in the Coca-Cola factory. What's this for? This is the old stuff. Let's see what else we can find. Whoa. This is the secret recipe for the cocoa. Guys, look at this super cool car.
So what do you do?
Okay, that's right. Look at all these cool Coke machines. Look at all these bottles.
And today, the company offers hundreds of brands.
This is Japan. That's actually not bubbly. That's actually like really good. This is like juice. Okay, that's enough.
I finished off that lemonade one. That was pretty good.
That one's good. It's like a little bubbly. Okay, that's enough. Actually tastes like no more fruit. So far everything's good. That's enough.
Oh, that one's.
That one's bubbly. I don't know about this one though. Oh my gosh, I can smell it.
It smells good.
The smell is so strong. That's bubbly.
Is it good?
That is so good. It tastes like candy. I really like this one. Yeah, it tastes like medicine. Whoa!
Like bubblegum or something. It's too sweet.
The smell of it. The smell of it. Now that is lemony. This is good. It tastes sweet and fruity.
There. Oh, that's really good.
Okay, that's way too much.
What happened?
The smell of this tastes like raspberries. Now that tastes like raspberries. It tastes like raspberries. Oh my.
It's really good.
Oh.
Ready?
That actually smells like lemonade. I don't like that one. But all the rest are good. But not the rest one. It's like old medicine. My most two favorites was these two.
Those two?
These two. Those two favorites were from Japan, and give me a thumbs up if I should go to Japan. The one that I did like was this one and this one. Let's go taste some more.
You want some gingerbread Coke, honey?
What flavor?
Gingerbread Coke. Gingerbread.
This is gingerbread Coke.
You taste the gingerbread?
Oh, 3!
Fanta!
That's everything from the Coke factory. Make sure you subscribe so you can see what else I do here. That's the end for now. And look at my cool little video I'm getting. Bye-bye. After the Coke factory, we are gonna go get lunch. And we are going to Johnny Rockets. Strawberry Oreo corn milkshake. We're going to go on this big Ferris wheel and it's called Sky View. You can break We took a break in our Airbnb, and now we're gonna go back out. Come on, let's go. We just came back to the Airbnb. Now it was a long day today. But we're back in the Airbnb. I want the big cereal. I want on the big Coca-Cola to the Coca-Cola factory. And make sure you subscribe so you can see what else I do, because I'm going to Tennessee in cabin. And don't forget to give a huge thumbs up. Okay, that's the end of for today.